Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to explore the best thermal cameras under $500 in 2026 that you can buy right now. These devices are perfect for home inspections, electrical work, HVAC troubleshooting, and even DIY projects. All product links are in the video description below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful content. Starting at number 1. 8mm Macro Manual Thermal Camera. A thermal camera for iPhone and Android with 512 by 384 super resolution offers advanced infrared imaging for accurate heat detection and analysis. Designed with an 8mm macro lens and manual focus, it allows users to capture detailed thermal images even at close range, making it ideal for inspecting small components. With a wide temperature range of -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 1022 degrees Fahrenheit, this device is well suited for home maintenance tasks, especially HVAC inspections, electrical troubleshooting, and energy efficiency checks. Compact and easy to connect to smartphones, it provides real-time thermal visualization, helping users quickly identify heat leaks, insulation issues, or overheating equipment with precision. Number 2. FLIR TG165X Thermal Imaging Camera. The FLIR TG165X Thermal Imaging Camera with Bullseye Laser is a rugged, commercial-grade infrared camera designed for professionals handling building inspections, HVAC diagnostics, and electrical maintenance. It combines thermal imaging with a built-in bullseye laser pointer that clearly marks the exact area being measured, improving accuracy and efficiency on the job. With its ability to detect temperature variations and reveal hidden issues like insulation gaps, air leaks, or overheating components, it helps users diagnose problems quickly. The device features a durable, job site-ready design, an easy-to-read display, and intuitive controls, making it suitable for both experienced technicians and advanced DIY users who need reliable thermal analysis in demanding environments. Number 3. VectorPoint Mini Handheld Thermal Camera. The VectorPoint Mini Handheld Thermal Camera 240 by 240 TSIR is a compact yet powerful infrared imaging device designed for reliable temperature analysis in a wide range of applications. Featuring a 240 by 240 TSIR resolution, it delivers clear thermal images for detecting heat variations, while its broad temperature range of -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 1022 degrees Fahrenheit makes it suitable for tasks like HVAC inspection, electrical diagnostics, and home maintenance. With a smooth 25 Hz refresh rate, a bright 2.8-inch display, and a built-in LED lamp, it ensures easy operation even in low-light conditions. The device also offers up to 18 hours of battery life, 16 GB of storage for capturing images, customizable temperature alerts, and auto shutdown for energy efficiency. Built with an IP54 rated durable design, it's well equipped to handle everyday professional and DIY use. Number 4. 256 by 192 Handheld Wi-Fi Thermal Imaging Camera. The 256 by 192 handheld Wi-Fi thermal imaging camera with 3.5-inch screen is a versatile infrared device designed for accurate heat detection and analysis in home inspection and maintenance tasks. With a 256 by 192 IR resolution, it produces clear thermal images that help identify issues like heat loss, moisture intrusion, or electrical hotspots. The built-in Wi-Fi connectivity allows users to transfer images and data easily to other devices, while the 3.5-inch display provides a comfortable viewing experience in real time. Equipped with dedicated analysis software, it enables detailed temperature evaluation and reporting, making it suitable for both professionals and DIY users. Compact and easy to operate, this thermal camera is a practical tool for HVAC diagnostics, building inspections, and general thermal monitoring. Number 5. ThermalMaster Thor 002. The ThermalMaster Thor 002 handheld thermal imager is a high-performance infrared camera built for precise thermal analysis in professional and advanced DIY applications. It features a 512 by 384x superscript 3 super resolution sensor that enhances image clarity up to 640 by 480, delivering detailed and accurate heat mapping. The 3.5-inch IPS display provides sharp, easy-to-read visuals, while fusion imaging technology combines thermal and visible light images from its built-in 2MP visual camera for better context and interpretation. With a wide temperature range of -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 1022 degrees Fahrenheit, it is ideal for HVAC diagnostics, electrical inspections, and building maintenance. Designed for reliability and ease of use, this handheld thermal imager offers powerful imaging capabilities in a durable and user-friendly form. Humanize 123 words. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you find the best thermal camera under $500, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Check the description for all product links. See you in the next video.